Meantime, also talk about when it comes to the entire country, which is standing united in the wake of the Pahalgam terror attack. 140 crore people that are united in its resolve that Pakistan will have to pay for its sins. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while speaking in Andhra Pradesh yesterday, has emphasized the importance of this very unity. He says that weapons aren't the only strength of the country. The unity of the country is the biggest weapon of the nation.
साथियों, आज भारत की ताकत सिर्फ हमारे हथियार ही नहीं है, बल्कि हमारी एकता भी है। एकता का यही भाव हमारे एकता मॉल्स में मजबूत होता है। देश के अनेकों शहरों में एकता मॉल्स बनाए जा रहे हैं।
So that is the Ekta message or the unity message that Prime Minister Modi is now giving. Of course, as far as when it comes to the multiple levels of strike that we have seen on ground, whether it be military, as far as the search and combing operations that have been taking place of active terrorists, when it comes to the terror dens that have been raised, diplomatic strike as well that has been carried out by India, and of course, when it comes to international support that continues to pour in for the country which has suffered at the hands of terrorism. Pakistan can no longer claim that it is a victim, but the Prime Minister here giving out a message of unity because there are other strikes that have been happening on part of Pakistan, whether be it cyber security or hacking attempts that have been foiled by the Indian authorities. However, there seems to be, as far as a different kind of warfare that has been initiated by Pakistan, especially when it comes to creating unrest within, when it comes to and creating communal tensions within the country. The Prime Minister says that will not be allowed at any cost because it is not just a strength in weapons, but the unity is where the actual strength of the country lies.